Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Neophyte Victory. Today I am discussing the problem number 6 problem related to C language. As usual, first all of you pause the video, see the program carefully, try to predict or find out what will be the output, and after your analysis of the program, after prediction of the output of the program, play this video again and see what is the result of this program and listen my explanation carefully. Okay, as usual, first of all I am executing this program to find out what is the output of this program, what is the result of this program. See carefully. I am executing. Oops, this program contains an error. Let's see what is the error. Unresolved external I reference from this. The first thing, this program contains an error. First of all, it is important to find out why this program is containing an error. So see this statement carefully. Extern int I. If we talk about a variable, there are the two important terminology which is related to variable. If we talking about variable, there are the two terminology which is related to variable. One is declaration and second one is definition. When we talk about the variable, any type of variable, any data type variable, every variable contain two terminology, declaration and definition. First of all, there is a need to differentiate what is the difference between declaration and definition. Declaration means you are simply declaring a variable and giving and specifying what is the data type of that variable and what type of value that variable will contain. That's only, that is declaration. And definition means, in definition the declaration is already included and one more thing added in definition, that is the variable creates in memory and occupies some memory space. So there is a big difference between declaration and definition. In declaration, no memory allocate to the variable in memory, but in definition memory allocates to the variable and variable creates in the memory. So this statement is what? This statement is just a declaration. So no I type variable is creating in memory, no memory is occupying, no memory is given to the variable. I is not occupying any type of memory, number of bytes in memory, but it's just a declaration. And what is the meaning of this declaration? The declaration specify I is a variable and data type is int and the storage class is external. That means in this statement we giving the information to the compiler that we are trying to create a variable I with data type in integer and which relate to the external storage class. That means this is a global variable, but in this program no global variable is defined. Then simply for now you remember this statement is declaration, not definition. Means no I type variable is creating in memory. When variable is not creating in memory, variable is not present in memory, then how is it possible? How it is possible that we can give the value to the variable? Obviously not possible, because I is nothing, I is not created in memory. But in program you are trying to give the value to variable I and you are trying to displaying the variable. That is error. And what is the error? Undefined reference I. The error occurred due to these statement. I am commenting these statement, that means these are not a part of the and again I am executing this one. Unresolved external I. External means it's a global variable, unresolved means there is no global variable is present in the program and we are giving the information to the compiler there is a global variable. No I variable is creating in the memory and we are trying to give the value to variable line and we are trying to displaying the variable. That means this program contains an error. If you like this program, if you like this channel, if you like my explanation, give your valuable like to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And in the next video I will again present with some new example related to variable and storage classes. So for now, thank you very much. Bye bye.